artist, our last artist of the afternoon to sign her contract with Star Pop, a singer with depth, elegance, and undeniable talent, Kanisha Santos! Bumabalik siya sa music scene after a break for a while, and we are so excited to have her back. And of course, she also released her EP back in 2020.
Tish, congratulations on your new contract under Star Pop. And abangan ninyo yung new project ni Kanisha kasi hindi na siya sad girl. Yung last album niya was called Born to Cry. Pero right now, she's actually recording songs na mas nasa pop na genre, so mga upbeat songs. So she's ready to dance. So abangan ninyo yung pop girl era ni Kanisha will be releasing soon under Star Pop. Congratulations, Kanish.
Alright, Kanisha, go ahead.
Hello po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat na nandito. Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa media. Hello po, good afternoon sa inyo. And of course, to my family who serves as my inspiration. That's my mom, my dad, and my brother. Sila yung nagpo-push sa akin na to use my emotions into art. And of course, I'd also like to thank the whole Star Pop family, Ate Abby, Sir Rox, and Sir John for always believing in me and also giving me a platform to show my talent and also to perform, and that's been my dream ever since I was a kid. Maraming salamat po. And of course, hindi ko po makakalimutan yung mga artists na tumulong po sa mga kanta ko po, yung bigay sa akin ng tiwala na kantahin ko at express ko ang mga storya at mga mensahe na sinulat nila. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, the last but not the least, of course, God, thank you. I'm really just grateful for being here and for having this in my life. And I'm so excited to release new songs. Again, it's a new era and a new chapter. I'm so excited. Thank you.
Congratulations, Kanisha Santos.